Hello everyone, welcome back to Dream Abroad. Are you living in Spain on a temporary residence permit or wondering how you can become a permanent resident? In this video, I will explain who qualifies for the permanent residency in Spain, how many years you need to stay, the documents requirement, application process, and different types of benefits and common mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. A temporary residence permit allows non-EU citizens to legally live in Spain for a limited period. This includes student residents, work permit holders, self-employment permit holders, family reunification permit holders, and digital nomad visa holders. Most temporary permits are valid for 1 or 2 years and must be renewed. To qualify the permanent residency, you usually need continued legal residence. Permanent residency allows you to live and work in Spain indefinitely. Also, your residence card must be renewed every 5 years. Your right to stay in Spain does not expire as long as you continue meeting to the legal conditions. Permanent residency enjoy nearly the same rights as Spanish citizens, except voting in the national elections and holding a certain public offices. Generally, you can apply after 5 years of the continuous legal residence in Spain. You must not have spent excessive time outside the Spain. You should have complied with Spanish immigration laws. You should have no serious criminal record as well. Time spent under some residence categories may be continued differently, so always check the rules for your permit. You will usually need valid passport, current residence card, application form, proof of continuous legal residence, address registration, passport size photographs, payment of the government fees, additional documents if required. Always keep copies of every document because these are essential documents and you may need at any time. The process is straightforward. Complete the application form, pay the required government fees, book an appointment if required for the biometric and the photograph, submit your documents, attend biometric fingerprints collection, wait for the decision, and at the end collect your new residence card. Processing time vary depending on the immigration office and situation for the residence permit. Permanent residents can live in the Spain indefinitely, work for any employer, start a business, access Spain healthcare system, access education which is usually free, travel within the Schengen area according to the capital rules, and these are almost 26 countries, sponsor eligible family members under the immigration and regulations, apply for the Spanish citizenship later if they are meet the legal requirements. You should avoid these mistakes. Staying outside Spain for a long time, maybe you are in Schengen zone but outside the Spain. Missing residence renewal, providing incomplete documents, ignoring immigration notices, applying before completing the legal requirement residence period. Permanent residency is an important milestone for everyone planning a long-term future in Spain. Prepare your documents early, keep your immigration status valid, and follow the official requirements carefully. If you are found this video helpful, don't forget like, share, and subscribe to the Dream Abroad. Thank you for the watching, and I will see you in the next video.